Welcome to Paru Yoga. Let us practice intense full body morning yoga. If you have any video request, please comment below. Let's start. Let us start with a child's pose. Your knees are wide. Rest your forehead down on the floor. Inhale deep and exhale fully. Eyes are closed. Let all of your tensions go away at least during this practice. Slowly rise into a tabletop. Find some motion that feels good for you. Be in the downward facing dog. You may paddle gently. Bend your knees. As you exhale, step your feet to the top of your mat, separating your feet about hip distance. Deeply bend your knees. Hang heavy in this forward fold. Your neck eases, jaw relaxed. Inhale deep and exhale full, running towards your spine. Touch and slide your hands up your shins for halfway. Lift. Be on a flat back. Your shoulders are open. Inhale deep and exhale. Fold forward gently, bending your knees. Inhale, exhale. Let's be on a mountain pose. Stand up. Reach your arms up as you ease your shoulders down. Inhale deep and fold forward as you exhale full. For halfway lift, slide your hands over shins. Press your heart forward. Inhale. Exhale to place your hands at the front. Step back and lower all the way down to be on your belly in a low cobra pose. Place your legs together. Top of your feet are pressed down. Slowly raise your chest up and hands over by your sides. Inhale deep and exhale full to lower down. Then press up and back into child's pose. Let's go to a cow pose. Rise to be in a tabletop. Drop your belly. Lift your chin. Inhale, exhale, and be in downward facing dog pose. Inhale, exhale. Step your feet forward for halfway lift. Inhale deep. Fold forward as you exhale fully. Inhale to be in mountain pose. Come all the way up. Exhale to fold forward all the way down. Inhale, halfway lift, then exhale. Hands at the front. Step back. Lay down on your belly for low cobra as you inhale. Back to child's pose as you exhale. Inhale, get into cow pose. Belly drops, chin lifts. Exhale. Back to downward facing dog. Inhale to look up. Exhale, step your feet to touch top of the mat. Halfway lift. Fold forward, inhale. Exhale, fold. Now chair pose. Sit back into your hips. Reach your arms overhead. Ease your shoulders. Legs are firm, pressing your inner thighs together. Sit back deep so that when you look down, you could see your toes. Now add a twist. Reach your right arm back, left arm forward. Breathe deep and back to chair. Inhale, exhale, fold forward. Inhale, find your flat back this time. Exhale, fold. Step your left foot back into a low lunge. Lower your back, knee down for Crescent Moon. Reach your arms up as you sink into your hips. Engage your legs. Feel the sensations. Deep inhale, exhale. Bend both arms open, lifting up through your heart for a mini back bend. Inhale, back to your Crescent Moon. Arms reach up. Exhale to a low lunge. Place your hands down. Lift your back knee up for Crescent lunge. Reach your arms overhead. As you exhale, open up into Warrior 2 pose. Keep your right knee open and shoulders edges. Your arms and legs are strong here. Next, your legs will stay the same. Reverse Warrior. Reach your right arm high. Inhale deep. Exhale. Cartwheel. Both hands down to your mat. Step your left foot forward into a forward fold for halfway lift. Inhale. Exhale to fold. Back to chair pose. Sit deep. Reach your arms overhead. Shoulders edges. Twist on your left side. Inhale deep and exhale full. Fold for halfway lift. Inhale, exhale to fold and step your right foot back. Lower your right knee down for Crescent Moon. Arms reaching up, sink into your hips, but engage your legs. Right knee forward. Inhale deep, exhale to Cactus pose. Your arms lift up through your heart. Inhale back to Crescent Moon. Exhale to low lunge. Hands down on the mat. Lift your back knee up. Inhale, Crescent lunge. Arms reach up as you sink into your hips. Stay firm on the ground. Inhale deep and exhale full to open up into Warrior 2. Spin your back heel down. Shoulders edges. Your arms are strong. Keep your legs as they are and reverse Warrior. Reach your left arm high. Inhale deep. Exhale. Hands to the mat. Step your right foot forward. Fold forward for halfway lift. Inhale and forward fold. Hold deep breath in and out to your spine as you ease your knees and relax your neck. With your knees deeply bent, pull your belly in. Tuck your chin and slowly unroll all the way up to standing. Bring your hands together at heart center. Close your eyes, adjust and balance yourself. Inhale deep and exhale fully. Let's end our today's practice with more positive energy flowing in for the entire day. Remember to practice daily to see the results as soon as possible. Namaste. Thank you all for joining me in this practice. How is your energy level now? Comment below. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video. Be healthy and happy. Namaste.